Everyone talks about automation the production line, but a lot of that complexity starts between the process. So how do you move materials safely, flexibly, and reliably across the factory floor?
In modern factories, material flow is one of the biggest challenges. Products, pallets, tools, and components need to move between different processes without slowing down production. But when space is limited, layouts change, or material handling depends too much on manual work, intralogistics can quickly become a bottleneck. That's why STÄUBLI's focus on mobile robotic solutions designed to make material flow safer, more flexible, and easier to manage.
So, Anabell, what makes material flow between processes so complex?
Well, actually, there are many that influence the complexity of material flow. If we take a look into the real life, we often see that we have very tight layouts, but also we need to be flexible because they have changed a lot. We also have different kind of load carriers of pallets that we need to transport. So also here we must stay flexible to move the material at the right place at the right time. And these are some factors that influence the complexity of material flow in between processes.
And what solutions has STÄUBLI developed to simplify material flow?
So actually what's the main benefit of us is that we are not an only product manufacturer. We come from integration of ourselves. So we started with building customized mobile robots, and then we integrate them on our own. So what we have is more than 20 years of experience of integrating mobile robots at customer facilities, and we made a lot of experience there. And so we know that the best thing that you can do is to really, when you want to automate something, you must start with the material flow. So you don't take the process that you have manually, you don't copy it one by one and just take a mobile robot. You must first take a step back and then look at the material flow. And after that, you must consider, okay, hey, what do I need?
By making material flow easier to manage, STÄUBLI helps automation become easier, smarter, and more reliable across the entire factory.